Hello, in front of me I've got Vinlley V1 earbuds. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take your earbuds out of the charging case. And now, for the incoming calls, tap once on either earbud. To reject call, press and hold on either earbuds. Now, to play pause music, press once on either earbud. To select previous song, double tap on left earbud. To select next song, double tap on right earbud. To decrease volume, press and hold for 3 seconds on left earbud. To increase volume, press and hold for 3 seconds on right earbud. The last gesture you can use is activating voice assistant. You can do it by tapping quickly 3 times on either earbud. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.